First.
Okay, Grandpa's finally here. Grandma's holding little Maddie. There's little Maddie. What? And there's Lauren. And Lauren is helping Grandpa eat his special chocolate cookies, aren't you, Lauren?
And I don't need any help, do I, Lauren? But
Everybody
I
likes
don't think
to
that
help.
would go past.
Yeah, everybody likes to help, don't they, Lauren? Huh?
Don't. We are doing.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm drinking a cup of tea and I've finished my cookies. Finished.
Oh.
All gone.
All gone?
All gone.
Cookie?
No, all cookies all gone.
More?
No, it's all gone. Look at it,
More? Are those good cookies?
All gone.
All gone.
Lauren's all gone. Grandpa's cookies all gone. Lauren's cookies all gone.
Good job, little girl.
Tasty. Tasty.
Oh, Madeline's tearing the paper. You get the color book out if you're going to color, sweetheart. Oh, it's okay. It's just that oh, I guess that is Daddy's paper. He might want to read the Wall Street when he gets home. Sorry. Say, sorry, Daddy. We won't let Maddie tear any more paper. Okay?
What are you doing? Is she tearing the paper? Oh, what's she tearing the paper? What about you? Why don't we do some colouring? You still got it inside your mouth, don't you?
She harbors that food in her mouth for a couple of minutes before it ever goes down. There. You coloring pretty? What color are you using, Warren? Lauren.
Papa.
What colour? Oh, are you colouring?
What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Good. Okay, I better get the
Grandpa's doing
paper
some
away
coloring.
from Maddie before she completely destroys it.
Grandpa's doing some
Where
colouring.
is this one?
Look at good colouring, Lauren.